Hey guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and we're back again with a brand new unboxing. Now, this time we're going to be looking at something that's arrived from Best Buy. Now, I'm not quite sure what it is, and I love the packaging. It says, I want to be a pizza box, recycle me. America is a very fun country to be in, isn't it? Now, this is something we have received. I have no idea what it is. It's been a while since all of these things have been ordered. But let's have a look and see what it is. Now, some of the things that have been purchased, these are meant to all be the open box ones. We don't buy anything brand new from Best Buy. Reason being is you get a great deal for open box stuff, and Best Buy really genuinely does a really good job on them. So let's get the trusty scissors. Let's break those scissors in half and just start using the blade area to start dissecting what's here. So we can see, there you go, we've already opened it up on one side. There you go. The second side has been opened up, and I wonder what it actually is, because there's been several things that have been ordered from Best Buy, and we have no clue what's arrived. So let's remove some of the packaging, and ooh, this is a very interesting one. So this is a Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm. It's a black charcoal with a small medium band. So it seems to be an Apple Watch Ultra. So let's just have a look at how it's been packaged. This is meant to be an open box item, so let's see how it looks. So as you can see, it's packaged well. There seems to be a little bit of discoloration happening there, but we can see the back is absolutely fine. You can tell that it has possibly been opened before, so we're not so stressed about that. And if we pull this to the back, we get the Apple Watch Ultra booklet, which kind of talks about how the Apple Watch Ultra kind of works, what's included, etc. So we're not really bothered about that. Now, I can see the Apple Watch Ultra right here. It's in the lovely black color. I obviously own an Apple Watch Ultra 2 in a black color too, so yeah. And then we also have the Apple Watch Ultra 3 strap, which is the small to medium strap as well. So that's what's kind of been included. Now, if we have a look at the... Hang on a minute. This hasn't been opened. This actually hasn't. Let's move this to the side. The strap hasn't ever been opened. Okay. This hasn't been opened. Did we just get a brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3? 1 second. Let me go back and have a look. So, just had a look at the order history, and this is a open box return from Best Buy. So how did we manage to rack a brand new one? Now, I'm not going to be complaining about that, because why are we going to do that? This is a brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3. We paid $500 for this. This is an open box return. It's a $500 device, and we received a brand new one, which was unboxed. Which wasn't unboxed, because you can tell the slits and everything is still in place. I can't. Yeah, it's a brand new device, guys. This is very. I think this is the first time it's ever actually happened like this. We've been lucky in the past. We received iPhones which have still got 100% battery health, but it's the first time I received a open box device which still hasn't even been opened. So maybe someone bought it as a spare and then just returned it, never opened it, never needed it. I don't know. But we received a brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3. So I guess we can do an unboxing for the first time. So let's do the first unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 3 open boxed, which is clearly not open. And we see it right here. We're going to look at the strap that we received. Now imagine if there was no strap inside, that'd be so funny. So there's a piece of paper right here, but obviously we can see that this is the strap that we received with our Apple Watch Ultra. Now I'm not going to remove it out of its packaging. Reason being is I'm pretty sure everyone's seen an Apple Watch Ultra before, and the strap itself is something I actually personally might use with the Ultra 3. I'm not sure yet. I've obviously got the Ultra 3 in the natural titanium finish, but the black color is something I always wanted again, so I decided I want to go back to black. So let's just put that back. We don't need to go through the setup phase. It's just going to be an unboxing this time, guys, as we do for many items. And I'm just going to put that back as we have. Let's go. There you go. Brilliant. And the main one right here. So let's get the, if we can, there you go. Boom. And that should be enough for us to open our Apple Watch Ultra sideways. And let's just double check. So you received the cable inside this packaging right here. Again, I'm not going to do it. I already have my Apple Watch natural titanium one, so I don't need to open up another Apple Watch cable. And of course, the Apple Watch Ultra in the black, the gorgeous black. So yeah, guys, we have of course received a jackpot. Everything was sealed shut, and we received it for a fraction of the price. So Best Buy, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate it. We have managed to receive a bargain of a deal. $500 open box return, and we received a brand new device. Either there has to be some sort of mix up, or it was a device that was just never open and customers just returned. But guys, we are very, very lucky to be receiving this as a brand new item, so I'm not going to complain about that. Now there's plenty more videos coming. We've also ordered some AirPod Maxes too. Those are actually brand new, and then we've also got a console that's also going to be unboxed quite soon as well. So guys, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.